Recently, in the news, we have seen have been multiple train collisions across the various part of India, which has raised a question whether the train journeys are safe or not, whether there is a traffic collision avoidance system there or not. Good morning, each and everyone. Today, I'm going to give a lecture on the topic Kavach. Kavach, also called traffic collision avoidance system, if it is being indigenously developed, it is called Kavach. It has a safety integrity of level 4, and it has been adopted by our Indian railway system. The Kavach is basically a safety device which alerts the locomotive pilot if a red signal is approaching, and it has also features of applying automatic brakes in case a driver is unable to react after the red signal has been crossed. Apart from that, it also sends the SOS, which is Save Our Soul emergency messages to the nearby rescue and help in case of any collision occurs. Now, coming to its component, Kavach is basically based on the three primary and important components. The first component being that it has the ability to identify the radio frequency identification distance, as it can be wirelessly checked whether there is any radio frequency coming up ahead of the tracks. Second component is in the locomotive engine itself, as when it will be reading the radio frequency, it need a receiver. So that is the second component which is present at the locomotive. And third is there is a network transmission present in the locomotive which will transmit its radio frequency wave to the nearby helping center and other railway station, which can inform the real-time tracking of the train. Now, there are various challenges regarding this Kavach system. The first and foremost primary being is the cost implementation, which is per kilometers, it requires around 50 lakh rupees to install the Kavach. This has been one of the major concerns, as we have seen in Vande Bharat also, as Vande Bharat was basically colliding with the animals recently, which has raised a big question mark on this Kavach system if they are properly working or not. So, coming towards the conclusion, I would like to say that Kavach is definitely one of the first step in improving our safety towards the railways, but it also need a further more calibration, so in order to improve the safety of the passenger riding it, and also the government needs to be more accountable for if any case the failure occurs in the system. Thank you very much.